everyone, my name is Ria. Welcome back to my channel, Ria's Glam Life. Happy Wednesday. It's hump day, so I hope you guys are having a great week. I said happy Wednesday because I knew I was going to post this on a Wednesday. I'm still on my break. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great. I can breathe. So yeah, today I'm going to be trying out some of these new lip liners that will be dropping with Urban Vibes really soon. I haven't decided a launch date on anything yet. There is still a process. Yeah, I'm still making changes as we speak. I know things can't be perfect, but if I can get them just close to perfect, I feel like that'll be great. I just want everyone to love what I'm putting out. So I'm putting so much time, so much dedication into these new products that I'm adding new things, and I'm hoping that I'm just hoping that the feedback that I get is really good. So I also plan on adding a review section to the website. So I hope that you guys can leave me some good reviews. But let's get down to these lip liners and let's see what we can pair them with. This one is like a burnt red, a crimson, but let's see. Okay. I know it kind of look weird now, but we're gonna pull it together. All right, so I'm gonna take Glam Girl. I know they're out of stock. They've been out of stock for a while. Just give me a minute to gather myself, okay? I'm gonna bring her back, okay? I'm gonna try this one. It's like a violet purpley color. We're gonna use Bad B on the inside. Notice how good the matte liners look by themselves. Here we go. I feel like it kind of deepens it because Bad B is dark, but it's kind of sheer. And I do feel like it kind of deepens it a lot. It deepens on, it's deep on the outside and it gets sheer towards the end. See? This one is probably not gonna show up. I'd be very surprised, but it's like a rose mauve pink. Damn. I'm surprised it did. I just don't think this color. I'm gonna try it with a clear gloss. That one really don't do nothing for me. But you see the color. The gloss kind of shears it. Makes it like a full, kind of like if you have like a soft pink look going on kind of thing. It'll be cute for that. Okay, last one is my infamous, most favorite. Is one of them all. This brown one. You've already seen it in some of my videos. I'm gonna go back to that gloss that I'm thinking about adding to the line. That's the one, y'all. That's my favorite one for me. It just works. It does what it's supposed to do. Don't Don't y'all love when y'all makeup products does what it's supposed to do? Like, you cannot beat that. Yeah, so which one do you guys like? I love the brown one. It's so cute. But that's it for this video, you guys. I just wanted to do some lip combos with some of these, test some products out, see which ones I like. I'm loving this color though. This combo is really cute. It's like I'll go with anything kind of look. Hey, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to thumbs up this video, guys, and I will see you guys in another video.